Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 90 Lite to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, tap on the same options. Firstly, I agree, then confirm, continue, allow. Then on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, must click. In this window though, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. And receive right next Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Then choose Close this window and go back to Honor. Now you can finally use all of those categories from the top to choose multiple files right away and send them. In my case, couple of photos. Now, after tapping on Send next to Selected, I need to choose Got It and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to repeat thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key. Choose while using the app to allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!